Lots of ibis on my morning walk today. They're looking for food in that grass ahead of the impending weather. Yeah. All right. So on my morning walk here are more birds getting their food ahead of the impending weather that is predicted here in Florida. I don't know what's happening, but seems as if these birds are just filling up their stomachs. Yeah. The birds know, right? The animals do know what is going to happen. Yeah, I told you what's happening with the birds. More birds filling up their stomachs. I have never seen this on my morning walk. I'm seeing it now. Lots of them all over the place just eating up a storm. They are eating and filling their stomachs. Getting that food before the bad weather sets in. Oh, these birds are super wise. Yeah, very wise. Mm-hmm. They are getting that food at all cost. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, whoop.